Hi students. Now we are going to solve two numerical problems. First, problem number 9. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. Now the speed or velocity may be expressed either in meter per second or in kilometer per hour. But which is the standard unit or the SI unit of speed or velocity means it is meter per second. And also the time may be given in seconds or minutes or hours. We have to convert it into the standard SI unit, namely the seconds. So first here you should understand the question. The initial speed or initial velocity is 80 km per hour. The final velocity is 60 km per hour and the time taken is 5 seconds. So I will write the initial velocity u is equal to 80 km per hour. But 1 km per hour is also equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Is it not? So this can be written as 80 multiplied by 5 by 18. And now the unit gets converted into meters per second. Now 18 is divisible by 2 9 times and 40 into 2 is 80. So we can write u is now equal to 40 into 5 is 200 divided by 9. So now it is in meter per second. Okay. Then the final velocity is given as 60 km per hour. So 60 km per hour, this is equal to 60 multiplied by 5 by 18 and the unit is now in meter per second. Therefore the final velocity is equal to, you can divide this 18 is 2 into 9, 60 is 2 into 30. So 30 into 5 is 150. So final velocity v is now equal to 150 divided by 9 and the unit is meters per second. Okay. And the time taken is given as a t equal to 5 seconds. So t is equal to 5 seconds. Therefore acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. So what is the final velocity v? It is 150 by 9. So this is 150 by 9 minus initial velocity is 200 by 9. So this is 200 by 9 whole divided by the time taken is 5 seconds. Okay. Now 150 by 9 minus 200 by 9 is minus 50 divided by 9. Is it not? So this is equal to minus 50 divided by 9 and whole divided by 5. Therefore a is now equal to minus 50 divided by 9 into 5. Okay. So 5 tens are 50, is it that? 5 tens are 50. So this becomes 10. So this is equal to minus 10 by 9. This is equal to minus 10 by 9. If you divide means 1.1111 like that, it will be recurring. So with only 2 decimal digits, it is minus 1.11 meters per second square. So we have converted kilometer per hour into meters per second. Once again it is divided by second. Therefore the unit is meters per second square. Understood? Now shall we go to the 10th sum? Okay. A train starting from a railway station. What is the hint given here? When a train starts from rest means what do you understand? What should be the initial velocity? It is 0. A train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour. That means 40 km per hour is the final velocity. And the time taken is in 10 minutes. Minutes. That is not the SI unit of time. SI unit of time is seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds and 10 minutes must be equal to 10 into 60, that is 600 seconds. Find its acceleration. Very simple problem. First we will write initial velocity u is equal to 0 because it is starting from a railway station. Whenever the train is in a railway station, it will be at rest. Understand? Before it starts, it will be at rest. Therefore, the initial velocity is 0. And the final velocity is given in kilometer per hour, that is equal to what? 40 kilometer per hour. So that is also equal to 40 multiplied by 5 by 18. So this is 40 into 5 by 18 meters per second. So 9 2s are 18, 20 2s are 40. So final velocity is now equal to 20 into 5 is 100. So 100 by 9 meters per second. T equal to 10 minutes. So this 10 minute is written as 10 into 60 seconds. So that is equal to 600 seconds. 10 into 60 is 600 seconds. Understand? Now acceleration. Therefore acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. Final velocity. What is the final velocity? 100 by 9. So this is 100 by 9 minus initial velocity is 0. So 100 by 9 minus 0 whole divided by 600 seconds. So acceleration is now equal to 100 by, so this is 100 by 9 into 600. So 600 and this 100 get cancelled 6 times. So this is equal to 1 divided by 54. After this you don't try to divide because it will take much time and the number will be very much less than unity. Therefore it has no significance. Therefore you can stop the answer at this step itself. Okay. Therefore now the acceleration of the train is equal to 1 by 54 meters per second square. So this is the answer. So in both the problems we have to convert kilometer per hour into meters per second, that is the SI unit of speed and velocity. And the time given in minutes or hours must be converted into seconds, which is the SI unit of time taken. Then what formula we are using? Acceleration is equal to what? Final velocity v minus initial velocity u divided by time taken t. Understand? And if a body is starting from rest, means the initial velocity is equal to 0. And if the acceleration is negative, means that is called retardation. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.